Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Vlogmas. We are on day 22 of Vlogmas right now, you guys. Day 23. Did I say 23? I hope I did. It's day 23. I might have said 22 because I'm getting very confused, but it's day 23, so can't even get into this one. But I'm seeing purple, so this is the purple one, which is the winter berries. Smells lovely. I think this might be my favourite one now. I thought it was the mulled wine one, but I really do like that one. Let's go into the advent calendar that I made myself. Day number 23. Oh my god, we've only got 2 left after this one. This is one of the Marc by Avon Plumpy lip glosses in the shade Mauve. So it's just a mauvey, almost a plummy type colour, and yeah, it'll be very pretty. Let's go into the sleek calendar, which is right here. Our little sleek calendar. And number 23, I have found her. She's right at the top. Ooh, please be a lip pencil. It's a lip pencil! Yay! I wasn't sure if it's going to be a lip or an eye one, but it's a lip pencil in the shade Raspberry. Oh wow, so this is like a very girly colour. It's like a really girly pink. Yes! Excited about that. Proper cute. Twist Up Lip Pencil Raspberry 999. Let's have a look in the Soap and Glory one. Soap and Glory! Soap and Glory! Number 12. I definitely keep getting a smell from this calendar, you guys. It smells really good. But I don't know why, because nothing... Yeah, I don't know why. Number 23. 23. Where's my scissors gone? Found him! Keep losing my scissors, you guys. Number 23 again looks like another liner. I swear Sleek and Soap and Glory have done their like stuff together, because they always do like the liners and everything together. It's weird. On the same days. This is a Sexy Call limited edition twist up eyeliner in the shade. You'd think I'd know the shade by now. Foil in Love. Oh my god. Wow. It's proper metallic silver, you guys. Holy moly, that is well nice. I love that. I love that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. 2-4. Let's move on to the next one. We'll go into the L calendar. I love that. Day 23. Oh, it's right down here. It's fine. We have destroyed this calendar, you guys. Oh, it's a Saint-Tropez. Or Saint-Tropez, whatever you want to call it. It's a gradual tan. Oh, it's a gradual tan. I like gradual tans. I don't like the, oh, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. It's sealed. But it is just a Saint-Tropez gradual tan. That's pretty exciting. And Instant Healthy Glow. Oh, it says Instant Healthy Glow, though. But how much do we have in here? Oh, it doesn't say. Oh, 50ml. It's quite a good size. It's not a bad size at all. Especially if you can use it on your face, which I don't know, but you probably can. 2, 4, 5. Okay, let's go into the Glossy Box calendar, which I think yesterday I forgot it. Day number 23 is right here. Well, let's have a look. Let's have a look. See? I have so much stuff all over the place, you guys. Ooh, what the heck? It's an Ico, and I have quite a few Ico products, but nothing like this. Let me just see if I can get some space. This is an Ico eye stick in satin. I like it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. It's like this bit here. But you would use it as like an eyeshadow, I guess. It's a really nice colour. Very wearable colour. Like anyone would be able to wear this colour. It's in the shade Satin. So that's exciting. Body Shop time. Day number 23, another heavy one. What's it gonna be? Oh, it's one of the it's the Himalayan charcoal face mask. I think. It doesn't actually say face mask on it. Uncloaks, refines pores, reveals glow. Yes, yes, I'm excited about this. Let's just have a quick look inside. Oh no, my camera's gonna die. Oh, oh, it's got a very, very strong smell to it. Oh, I can't wait for this. This is probably one of the best things like that I've been really wanting to try from Body Shop out of here. And the Himalayan charcoal is probably one of the best ones as well. Yeah, so it's a purifying and glow mask. Yay, I'm so excited. Absolutely dying for the Body Shop calendar this year. Honestly, like, proper impressed with it. Cheers, everybody. Cheers to Body Shop. Cheers to you all. And the Look Fantastic one, we have got a de-stress muscle bath and shower oil. I'm not sure if I know exactly what you would use bath and shower oil for. Oh, it smells good though. It's got a bit of a lavender scent to it. I guess like you just add 2 cupfuls to the bath. Oh, so you actually put it in your bath. Nah. I'm thinking like you can't wash yourself with it anyways. Yeah, so that is just what we got in the Look Fantastic box. Okay, you guys, that is it for today. It is Christmas Eve tomorrow. Oh my, it's Christmas Eve tomorrow. I'm super, super excited to spend it with you guys. I'm excited to see what we are going to get in the calendar tomorrow, and yes. I will see you guys tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Happy Vlogmas, everyone. I hope you're having an amazing time. I will see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!